Hey guys, it's me, PC Mentalist. Hey, I'm sorry I haven't made any videos for a while, and there's two reasons why. One, I've been seriously sick, in and out of hospitals, and I'm learning how to walk again. Um, After having a blackout and having a complete memory loss of everything. And secondly, because the car audio community has been so so vile, so nasty, and it's just full of hatred. I mean, there's not enough love and too much hate. And that just shouldn't be. What happened to the brotherly love, you guys? I mean, yesterday, well, you know, people fight over things like, like if you don't run the same amp as your buddy does, or if the amp board is made in China or Korea. Who really cares? It's an amp and it's putting out sound. And it's doing its job. Just like subwoofers. You know, I made a post like, some of you know that I'm selling my Trinity 18-inch subwoofer to pay for the repairs on my car. And then I made a post saying that, my next sub was going to be a Sky High was going to be a Sky High FXXL. And then someone gets mad at me for that. And compares the Sky High sub to the one that Liberty Base has. I don't know about the one that Liberty Base has. And I don't know about the specs or anything, but at least, I know all about the Sky High subs. With the Sky High subs, they make, they have all the parts in house, and they are able to make you to make you the subwoofer that you want, not one that someone else has. And I'm talking right down to the color of basket. Yes, that's right. They will custom powder coat the basket to whatever color that you want. They will put as many and they will put the spiders on that you want, and as many coils as you want, I believe. And it may cost you a little bit more, but it's still a win-win situation for both parties. I haven't gotten any offers yet on my my Trinity. But if I don't get any offers, if I don't get anyone to buy it, I'm just gonna keep it. But yeah, guys, what the heck has happened to the car audio community? It's ugly. It's ugly, full of drama, full of hate. I swear, people live for drama, and that ain't cool. Why can't we just have our builds and go to a show and not have people trash talking our equipment just because ours isn't the same as theirs? Or like, say for instance, you know, if it's not it's not the high quality stuff, you know, so what? I buy my equipment because it's affordable to me, and that's what I want, you know. And another thing, this is my third and last and final build. And of course, I want everything to be good. Because this is my last build, this is my last time building a build. I'm getting way too old for this stuff. And all I want to do, I want to go to shows. I want to demo. And I want to have fun with it. Plus, I got the car audio ministry to think about. I'm supposed to go around to all the area churches in the area and give all the youth demos there, and then I'm being called to Georgia and Alabama. But guys, you know, there used to be a time where us bassheads, we all used to sit at the same table at each other and were able to get along. What happened? But I will tell you, I got some big things going on. I'm finally getting around to starting my third last and final build, and it's gonna be big time. Anyways, I'm PSA Bentel saying please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel. And for now, I'm the one and only PSA Bentelist out.